Good day or night. If you got one of these things, then you're probably having trouble with it somewhere along the line. So I got an issue with the you turn the key and then the dash lights don't come on, and it won't start. Or sometimes the lights won't come on and it will start. So what I've discovered is that I haven't tested it yet, but if you're having this problem, there's a good chance that your starter relay fuse is no, not fuse, sorry. Your starter, well, yeah, kind of. No, maybe not. Starter relay. So, oh, the lighting is, let's get in here. So, I got to pull this down. I'm still trying to figure out how to get this panel down with all these relays in here. So, there's one on the right, one on the left. The one on the left is for the starter ignition, and they're both 460 relays. So, a good way to test that is swap them. So, my issue is intermittent. Other people have had issues where it'll turn on, or it won't do nothing. You're stranded. It won't even come on. So my problem is it comes and goes. So sometimes it works, sometimes it won't. This morning was really bad. I turned the key forward, let the glow plug won't do its thing, fired it up. It started, then died. And then I was like, okay, here we go. I'll post a clip what happened. Every time I try and vid you this, it never does it. Well, good, it did it that time. So that's, and then did it again. It 3 times, and then it was fine. So it's weird. So I'm gonna try and get that panel down, and then I'll keep you posted. Okay, so I was actually able to get it to do its thing. So right now, the keys turn forward, and I got nothing. Does any of this work? Oh, weird. Oh, there it goes. So you can hear that relay clicking down there. And then it kicks in. Okay, so, interesting. So it's kind of intermittent. But I definitely hear that relay clicking. Oh, see, and I move the key just a bit. And then it, almost like the ignition. It's a little sloppy. It is pretty sloppy, actually. Is that just... It's very picky in there. Interesting. So maybe I got a combination of issues here. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna keep messing with it. Okay, so the getting that block, that panel down, there's 2 tabs. One on each side. You can see my finger right here. So there's one there, you push, and then on this side you push again, and then this thing will actually just come right down. So then you can get access to your 460s. Yeah, not 420s. It's too bad, eh? It's too bad, eh? So now, pull that down. And now I'm going to switch these 2. I'm going to have to go to Pick and Pull and get some 460s. And then hopefully this will solve my issue. So I'm not sure what the other one does. So if I have problems with that one, and I'm going to swap them, so then I'll have a new problem. But if this problem goes away, then I know, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Okay, I'm going to do that, and then, yeah. So for poopies and laughs, I just decided, I mean shits and giggles, I just decided to test this thing, because why not? But it's intermittent. So anyway, I did test it. Oh, I don't know if I can do this with one hand. If you want to test yours. Yeah, let me get my old pod. Okay, we're a little crooked there. Anyway, if you want to test it, so here's our 460. Take your 86 and 85 and you put your leads together. And you want a reading between 50 and 200. So I got 71 on there. You can see that. So this technically is good. So now it's like, well, what the deuce, right? 70. See what I'm saying? Let me see what I'm saying. So now it's like, okay, well, now what? So I'm still going to switch them and then see if that makes a difference. But if I do go to the wrecker, maybe I'll pick one of these up. But if you look at this, I think the problem... Where is it here? Oh, yeah. Look at this thing. Like, made in China. China. Like...
China, 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 China. China, 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 China now, China, China.
Like... That could be part of the problem. I mean, it feels good. Like, it's a good weight to it and stuff like that. But, I don't know. I was looking on the lube tubes, and there's all kinds of guys that are having issue. Well, not all kinds, but a few that this is the issue with what I'm having. And it seems to be right around the similar amount of miles, kilometers. 300. I got 322 on this turd. So, other guys, 330-ish in Europe and some parts of wherever these other... Yeah, Europe. So... I'm going to swap them and then probably drive the car for a bit and then see what happens because, like I said, it's intermittent. Or it could be my tumbler because my tumbler is a little bit loose too, but just kind of, it's something that's kind of been getting worse, so I don't know. So anyway, let me swap that out and I'll keep you posted. So for fun, I thought I would test the other one that we're going to do the swapperoo with and see what the difference is. What do we got here? But, it's the same. Okay. Identical almost. Alright, well, still gonna swap them and see if we have issues. Okay, so if you are worried about breaking tabs on those fuses, don't worry. Because I did. I broke both of them. Those are a pain to get out. Let me flip you around. They are absolute horrible. There's 2 tabs on each side. You almost have to have almost 3 tools to get them out. I only used one, of course. But I broke both tabs on both. Anyway, I got this all back together, mostly. Just getting everything kind of put back together. And then, yeah, I'm going to see if that... makes a difference and go from there. I'll keep you posted. Okay, it's the next day or a couple days, I don't remember. Let's see what this thing does. So it seems to be okay. Oh, so like I said before, I think this is my actual tumbler. Like in here. So see there now, I just wiggle it and come back on. So I don't think it's that relay in my case. I think it's just a loose ignition. Like I did have to take this apart. My ignition key was stuck in there at one point and I had to pull it all apart. So, it's a cheap China ignition, and then I have to put the other key in the original ignition because I don't have a mobilizer delete on here. That's something I may get in the future, I don't know yet. But okay, so I think I kind of solved this. Video might be kind of useless, but it might help some people. But yeah, I think my issue is just my tumbler. Because if see? I moved it forward just a hair. Now watch, if I go... There. Yeah. Okay. No, I think, I don't know. I might post this and be done with it, or I'll wait a bit. So, let's just make sure we start, I guess, eh? I'm going to open the garage door because it's stinky.